Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to make a video collage on Instagram. If you want to make a video collage on Instagram, you will have to follow some steps. First, you have to open your Instagram app and here tap on plus icon and now select camera and here you have the option of video layout. Tap on it and now you have to select the layout which you want. I am going to select this one, so just tap on it and after that choose your gallery and here you have to select the video which you want to play in layout. I'm going to choose this one. So here you can easily see I have successfully made a video collage on Instagram. So that's how you can make this. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.